SpeedScene Wiring Online Tutorial. SSW part number 74. SSW part number 74 for large HEI style connector, distributor connector. SSW part number 7 for the terminals, SSW part number 8 for the seals. 22 gauge wire. We're going to be using basic hand tools to complete this job. Dikes, crimp tool with alphabetical key index A, B, C, D, E for the dies, and strippers. Start by stripping about 1/8 of an inch of insulation off each wire. Then go ahead and place your seals on each one of these wires. Place your wire on the terminal. Start in C, actually D, then go E, and this one we're going to do A. Just a basic crimp on the A reference, and then go back to E right there. Just finish it up a little bit, do your 5-pound pull. D, E, go to A, crimp that down. You can also go to B too and put a little more on that if you want to. It's not really necessary. Go back to E, give that a little crimp on the front. 5-pound pull test. Repeat your steps. D, E, A, B, D, E, and go A. Put a little more on B. Go back to the front of this on E. Give that one a little bit more. 5-pound pull test. I'm going to go ahead and redo this terminal because it broke. Strip off 1/8 of an inch of insulation. Place your seal back on. Place your new terminal on the wire. Go to D and E. Go ahead and take up the slack on that. And these terminals down because they are weak. Go A and give it a little bit more on B if you want to. Go back to the front of this terminal. Give it a little more. 5-pound pull test. Place straight in. Make sure you hear them lock. Lock the back side. You're done.